Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour, coming in from the national capital. Remember that there seems to have been a yellow alert that's been issued in New Delhi. Has been issued, remember, due to low visibility. Important information we're tracking at this hour, as a yellow alert has been in fact imposed in the national capital region for low visibility. Remember that this comes right after the Aviation Ministry's guidelines for flight operations. Remember that those guidelines were issued owing to low visibility in the national capital area. Remember that important to understand that the Minister of State of Aviation had in fact even issued guidelines for all airlines. Now the guidelines say that all airlines must comply with passenger facilitation norms. Well, on this, we have my colleague Shreya joining us on the broadcast. Shreya, we're given to understand that a yellow alert has been issued in the national capital.
That's right, Reet. This is the holiday season, and holiday season demands for travel plans. But the dense fog conditions, they are being a spoiler at this point in time. Right now, I'm on the Akshardham flyover, and as you can see, the entire area is engulfed in the dense fog that has dramatically reduced the visibility. Vehicular movement has slowed down, and all these cars here, you can see they have put their headlights on. And as far as flight operations are concerned, remember there could be several disruptions, delays, cancellations, but our viewers, they should know their passenger rights. They are entitled to get rebookings, refunds, meals, refreshments, and the Civil Aviation Ministry has asked all the airlines to follow mandatory norms, and these norms are essentially to make sure that the passengers, they feel comfortable during this time, because the fog, the climate is such, the weather is such that there could be several disruptions in flights. For example, at this point in time, Delhi airport, low visibility procedures are underway. Flights are operating normally, but in Dehradun, for example, there could be flights that could be impacted. There could be delays and cancellations. But here in Delhi, as you can see, that this is not just the fog. Ideally from here we could see the Akshardham temple. But as you can see, it is fully covered in fog because, of course, the temperature has dropped. It is almost 8 degrees Celsius. And it is not only just the fog, because as the day progresses, the fog will lift up, but the pollution will remain. It is also the smog. The AQI continues to be in the severe category. It has crossed the 400 level in Delhi as well as Noida. And for the next 2 days, these dense fog conditions will continue to persist as predicted by IMD, and that is why today yellow alert has been issued. And so to ensure that there are no accidents at all, keep your headlights on, slow down your cars when you're going,
right.
And if you're traveling, make sure that you check your flight status before leaving for the airport. Back to you, Reet.